Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Good afternoon, morning, good evening, wherever you are around the world. My name is Martyn Lucas. It's great to have you here once again. I go live every morning with the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my real positions, my real money. As you can see from my shares right now, let's bring them up on the screen. Here we go. This is everything that we are doing here this morning. This is my real shares, my real positions. We're up again this morning. We've been up now for nearly 6-7 weeks every day. It's been pretty good. We've been buying the high risk, high tech stocks, which I've been predicting for now a few weeks have bottomed. The overall market may not have done, but the high tech, high risk stocks, in my opinion, and it's only my humble opinion, is that's exactly what they've done. So I've been buying more dips, getting great companies at great prices. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. We have a huge audience this morning. We've got lots of prize giveaways to come up. We've got lots of benefits to you over there on TikTok. If you are over on TikTok this morning and you want to have me promote your channel and help you and give you cash prize giveaways, we do it every Friday on the show. But what we do here every single day on TikTok, if you follow me and you become one of my subscribers, at the end of this show, I make a video for you and tag your name in it, and it acts as a promotional video for your channel. You may notice on my channel, I go viral all the time. I'm live every day, Monday to Friday. I'm live 6, 7, 8 hours a day, every weekday that we're trading. So I'm always here for you. I'm always doing prize cash giveaways. It costs you nothing. I don't want nothing in return. And I'm here to help people and grow. And I want to become the best TikTok channel in the world and the best YouTube channel in the world. The best. If I become the biggest, that's a bonus. But I want to become the best. And what that means is we help people, we support people, we give cash prize giveaways. We're here to grow up our portfolio live in front of you. Everything you see is real and help you. So if you follow me today and you become a subscriber, at the end of this video, you'll notice I've already got some subscribers and I've made them promotional videos. You can look on the profile and you'll see it. If you subscribe to me on TikTok, at the end of this video, I will make a video for you, like a 15-20 second promotional video, encouraging people to subscribe and follow you on your channel, and I will tag you in it. So through my success, you gain success. We believe nobody wins unless everybody wins. We all grow together. All right? Gotta love TikTok scammers. This is some desperate stuff. Really? Cody, you're an idiot. And I'll say you're an idiot quite honestly, because I've given away over $1 million to charities in the times I've been here. Everything is my real money. We don't ask you for anything. You don't do anything whatsoever. This is not desperate. This is absolutely not. If you don't want to be part of my trading circle and part of my investor family, then don't. But this is real money on the screen here. This is my YouTube broadcast. We do get a few idiots, guys, over on TikTok, and I'm afraid Cody is one of those idiots. All right, let's get back to the main trading screen right now. Hi, good morning, YouTubers. How are you? As always, we've got the couple of idiots. There's always 1% of the people on TikTok are idiots. We ignore those. Right, Aquatic, good morning to you, Aquatic. Let me put you on the screen. Mike is here. How are you? Fantastic. Oh, and also if you're a subscriber on TikTok, I make you exclusive videos and review the stocks you want me to review and make videos on them, which also helps promote the stock if it's a stock you believe in. So really isn't a scam, is it, Cody? There you go. All right, Mike is here. Rob Brennan, your show has made me prefer Mondays to the weekend. Brilliant. I love it. I love that, Rob. Thank you very much indeed. Go over to TikTok and tell those people. Tilray, we got Tilray stocks. If you are a subscriber, I will make a video on it and I will highlight it and I will promote it on YouTube here for you. I've got Tilray. Here's my Tilray position. There you go. As you can see, I'm at 1.21. Still down on it. All right. Okay, there's Tilray on the screen right now. Okay, Rob Brennan, how are you? Zach from Uganda, how are you? Sheesh, you're up nearly 37,000. I remember not long ago, you were at 28,000. That's right. That's right. Hi, Bill. Good morning, Zach. Martyn said doo-doo. Martyn said a doo-doo. Hello, afternoon. Hi, Rob. I just got to tell people when they're idiots, you know. I ain't staying here long. Too hot to be doing crypto crap today. But yeah, indeed. Too hot, mate. And people will tell you that global warming isn't happening. All right. Certainly is. I had some Virgin Galactic last week, so I'm only in with 15,000 shares. There you Rob. Me and you have a slightly different approach to trading. I understand and I would probably have done what you have done in your position. You've got a much, much bigger position. Why wouldn't you sell and take huge profits? It makes every bit of sense to me. My situation is different. I've been down now for 6 months and I've got a long way to get back. If I show you my overall portfolio, this is it now. I'm up on the day today, up on the week, up on the month, and we are 3 months, you can see we're down 16%, 16,000, we're down 31%. So I've got to get a lot of money back, but I've been buying all the dips, I've got a lot more shares, I'm in a lot better position. Now you might say, wouldn't you prefer to be where you were here? No, because here, let's say I had 100 shares at a price of here, now I have 1,000 shares of here, all right? So this is a much stronger portfolio than that. This will come back to way above that a lot quicker than it took from there to there. This could bounce back in a day, literally a day. I'm a man of many places. Yo-Yo Dow, how are you? A man of many places. What's all that about? Good morning, everybody over there on TikTok. Cody, day trader links, NFT links, and made up stories about charitable. Okay, right, Cody, can one of my TikTok army go over and sort Cody out? Cody, everything is here is real. This is my real money, my real trades, my real positions. In this studio, I'm going to show you behind me, I've raised over $1 million for my charities. They are all in my YouTube show right now. Come and ask them, they will show you. Behind you now is my, there you go. Behind you now is my YouTube studio where I've raised $1 million. Okay. I don't sell anybody anything. You don't have to follow me. You don't have to subscribe to me. You don't have to do anything. I will never ask for your Telegram, never ask for your WhatsApp. The people that say I'm scammers on TikTok are the scammers. There are over 100 people who impersonate me on TikTok. Over 100. I'm always live, they're never live. They have no views, I have videos that have gone viral. I never ask for your Telegram, I never ask for your WhatsApp. I'm here to give people all the money, all the time. I give free money away all the time. You don't have to subscribe to me, but many people do because they like to support my show and they like the benefits they get from me. Okay, you don't have to subscribe, you don't have to pay anything, you don't have to do anything, but I will never sell you anything. It's a subscription, you can join or not. Your account was logged out, try it in again. Live access, what happened there? Bullying and violent. Right, we've got someone here who's reported me on TikTok. Unbelievable. Logged out, try to log in again. All right, continue. I've been logged out of TikTok because that person was calling me a scammer, and that's how awful it is on TikTok, right? They're able to get you out of TikTok by reporting you. It's the way, it's awful, isn't it? So just bear with me a second. We've got to log back in again. This is annoying. Well, get off TikTok, horrible platform. No, TikTok is really great. It's great. You just get a few idiots. You get a few idiots, but it's good. It is good, right? You just unfortunately get a few idiots that try to spoil things. So I've just got to do a few things here now. Unbelievable. I get reported for harassing people when I'm defending myself. Unbelievable. Points around at the room, see cool stuff. No idea what that means, Bill. Right, okay. I've changed the screen because I'm trying to log back in again. It's the way it is. I've asked TikTok to verify my account to stop these idiots. But they said I'm not big enough yet. It's frustrating. Anyway, it is what it is. We're going to try and log on again right now. Just bear with me a second. Okay. We'll try and log in again. It will take 24 hours or you will notify you when you have an update. Bullying and harassment. Your live access was suspended for violating our harassment and bullying policy. We do not allow content that threats, degrading statements or behaviours intended to mock, embarrass, intimidate or hurt an individual. Because I called him an idiot, I guess they banned me. All right, fair enough. They banned me on TikTok because I said he was an idiot. All right, brilliant. So I guess the moral of the story is, on TikTok, if people want to call you an idiot, they're allowed to. If they want to abuse the show, they're allowed to. That's what I guess. All right. I'll learn that lesson. If that's how it has to be, that's how it has to be. I get it. It seems wrong to me, but I guess it makes sense. You can't. He probably was a damn. Yeah, he probably was a damn idiot. He was a damn idiot. He was telling everybody that this is a scam, and I was telling him it wasn't. And of course, because I said he was an idiot, they banned me. All right, lesson learned. If people harass you on YouTube or TikTok, be polite, say nothing, allow them to do it. Okie dokie, let's move on. Puts on TikTok, Martyn banned. Buy some puts. I love it. Oh, God. Is it a permanent ban? No, it's a 24 hour and they review me. So they're going to review me now. They're going to decide whether I've done anything appropriate. And, of course, I don't know. Unbelievable. Vanguard S&P is up 0.73. That's awful, though, isn't it? I commit my time to this. I do it every day to help people, and that's what happens. I won't say I'm not upset. I am. I think that's horrible, but there you go. You have to live with it, guys. Take the punches. All right. So now let's focus on what we're doing right this morning. Now then, some of you, literally, there was 5 of you who didn't receive the email. Were you one of those people that didn't receive your email? If you were, I can give you the link to the email, the web version. And the reason for it is we grew too quick. I ran out of emails to be able to send. I hit my limit, so I had to upgrade it. So unfortunately, about 5 of you didn't receive the email. So if you didn't receive the email, let me know, and I can give you... Rob Brennan, right, you received the music one, but not the deck. Right, okay, so here we go. For those of you, Dexter Sickles just gave me some love. Thank you, mate. Makes me feel a bit better. I feel awful. I feel awful that a platform can treat you in such a way when all you want to do is help people and be honest. And awful, isn't it? But I was wrong, right? I was wrong, wasn't I? I called him an idiot. That's bullying, isn't it? I shouldn't have done that. That's what I did wrong. You can't say that to people. You can't say that. I guess that's where I went wrong. If someone says something horrible, you ignore it. All right, so here we go. Rob, here is the link then. For all of those of you that did not get the email, I ran out of email allowance. It's been upgraded now, but so it'll work in the future. So here it is. Here is the email link. There is the email web version. That's not to sign up for the newsletter. That is so you can enter the competition. You can get the newsletter. All right, I've posted it in the chat. So for anybody that didn't, calls on Google for not yeah. Rob Brennan, I love it. Okay, so there you go. So there's the email in the chat right now. If you click on that, that's the web version. That way you won't miss out on the competition. You won't miss out on the news. Okay, for that's about five of you who didn't get it. All right. It goes out now to, I think it's 85, isn't it? It says in the email how many the circulation is. Anyway, so we're up now, 0.73, up 0.2 right now. Newsletter and inbox this morning. Thank you, sir. Good stuff. All right, good stuff. Okay, I'm just giving you that link if a few of you didn't get it. All right, if you are interested in getting our weekly newsletter for our cash giveaways, we have 3 cash giveaways in this week's letter. We have 3 prizes in this week's newsletter. There it is. Click on that, verify your email. When you click on that, it'll bring you to this page I'm going to show you now. And you can click on it and you enter your email, nothing more. Yeah, I just got upset about that because someone is allowed to be on TikTok telling everybody you're a scammer and you say they're an idiot and you get banned. I guess that's why we need more moderators in TikTok. We need moderators in TikTok so when someone comes on and says something, you just ban them, you just get rid of them because they're ruining it for everybody else, upsetting me, so I react that way and I get banned. I was like, flipping heck. Anyway, when you click on that link, you come to here, you enter your email, you then click verify, and the email that you are looking for in your inbox. And because it's a newsletter which provides cash giveaways, it often goes into junk. Because Google think if someone gives money away, they've got to be a bad person. They got to be, right? So you look in your email. We need, what we need are more super chats. Yeah, that'll fix it every day. Right, everyone should be making money today. I'll moderate TikTok for $5.99 a month. I love it. Does that come with a yearly newsletter? Does that come with a yearly newsletter? All right, we're up to day 2.2. Let's go through our stocks right now. We got the Vanguard S&P is up 0.73. Let's get subscribe and like if you've just tuned in. We only have 15 likes now and 23 watching. Smash the like button. No, his newsletter is back ordered also. Oh, is it? Fantastic. That's good to know then. Smash the like button. Shall I put Mr. Mini on the screen? What have we here? What we have here is a failure to communicate. I'll moderate for $100 a month. Brilliant. YouTube with Mo, he's got it spot on. Right, let's go through our shares. You're all distracting me now. Virgin Galactic up 0.68, 740 now. Rob Brennan, what do you think of this? Virgin Orbit up 2.63. Tesla is up 1.95. Rivian is up 1.58. Lucid is up 1.07. Polestar is up 1.78. Still out of the money. Arrival up 3.42. I think we see an $8 plus space today. I tell you what we will see. With this heat wave, this will ram home the EVs, this will ram home solar, this will ram home anything, basically nearly everything I buy, to be honest. It'll ram it home that we need to get behind the environment. $8 a day will be soon. Happy. Yes, indeed. SPCE, Virgin Galactic, it could very well get $8 today. But I do think all innovative, exploratory stocks that benefit the world are going to really start to improve now because those doubters who thought global warming wasn't here, when they start to see countries burning, I mean, I don't know how much it took really, but I think they will see around the world now and start getting behind these solar stuff, EV stuff, quicker than ever. Governments will have to back the batteries and the solar companies like Enphase Energy. Let's look at Enphase Energy this morning. Look, it up 1.63. Do you remember it went down 10% and I went all in. I bought 6 shares. It went down 10%. $8 today will be so happy. I think the Queen of Self-Braiding may have accidentally deleted our friend. I can't read the name out. I think it's Chinese. I'm sorry if it's not. You did tell me the other day What language did they say that was? It wasn't Chinese. Was it Korean? Was it Korean? I can't remember. I don't see anything wrong with that comment. It may have been a mistake. The Queen of Self-Braiding may have not meant to delete that. We'll check that in a second. Anyway. Any good air conditioning companies you're investing in, Martyn? Oh, yeah, blimey, yeah. What do you think of Joby Aviation? Yes, Joby Aviation now has permission or applied for permission in the UK. Early hours of I think it was last night. Joby Aviation, that'll pop today. Look. Let's see if I'm right. Up 1.71. It's fallen back a bit. It was higher, 2.66. I've been in Joby Aviation. Yeah, again, future stocks. I totally agree. I like it. I think it's great. I think it could pop today on that news. But I've got my money in, stocks that can do it. Well, not the same technology, but yeah, it's good. I've made money on it. I do like Joby. It is down right now. It's applied for permission to fly in the UK. It is part of the environmental benefits. You're going to have flying taxis. I get it. It makes sense. I just don't know if I want to spend any more money. It might pop up, but the point is, could Tesla do better? Could my other stocks, could Virgin Galactic do better? As you can see, it's up. It's up, but then all the stocks are up by this amount. Let's keep it. Let's have a little look at it. Let's see if we get a big drop this morning and get a chance to buy it cheap. But yeah, it is a good stock though. How was Tesla stock done since you bought it? You know the answer to that. You know the answer to that. Let me show you. Since I bought it, that one that you donated to me, I actually bought for 713. 713. So yeah, I've made about $15, something like that. I've made about $15 on that share. I didn't buy it. It went slightly lower, but I bought it straight away. It was Korean. I thought so. It was Korean. Yeah. Where's the Queen of Self-Braiding gone? I wonder if that was a hacker, because the Queen of Self-Braiding came in, deleted someone's comment, and then went. That's very unusual for the Queen of Self-Braiding. She's not even in. I wonder if the Queen of Self-Braiding's account has been hacked, because the Queen of Self-Braiding came in, she's a moderator, she deleted someone's post and she's gone. That's unusual. I wouldn't have expected that from the Queen. You all buy and sell stocks daily. I could help with analysis. How long do you hold them? It depends what they are. That's an open question, isn't it? Enphase is up 1.84. Well, EV tolls won't be up and running fully until 2025, but I think it's a good buy if it goes lower. Queen isn't here today. There we go. We've had one of our accounts today blocked. Now we've had one of our members in the chat deleted, and by the Queen, and she is not even in the chat. Very strange. In fact, our friend from Korea, I apologize. You seem to be getting your posts hidden. I don't know why this is happening to you. Very peculiar. The Queen isn't even in here, and this person, our friend from Korea's posts, I don't know if anybody else can see this, but their posts seem to be getting removed. Maybe she logs in from an internet cafe and left us. I don't know. Her comments were all. His comments were fine. Yeah, the Queen of Self-Braiding may have been hacked somewhere, and she's having her account. I don't know what to say. I can't. It's very strange. Very strange. Anyway, there's nothing we can do about it, I'm afraid. Even as the owner of the channel, I can't do anything about it because the Queen isn't in. I can't remove her. Very odd. In fact, yes, there is. I can remove her as a moderator. Let me go and do that for now, temporarily. Let me go and remove the. Let me go and remove Queen as a moderator. Okay, I'm going to remove Queen as a moderator because she may be hacked and now may be deleting posts. Okay, let me go and right. The Queen of Self-Braiding, remove as a moderator. Okay, save. I've done that. I've removed the Queen now as a moderator. So our friend from Korea, you should be able to talk again now and everything should look fine for you. All right? Anyway. Paul B, another fellow, yeah, absolutely. Nate, if you're caught, Nate Miller, if you're called on it, I could do analysis for you. Long term, that is based off charts alone, not fundamentality. Not fundamentally. Okay. Mo with YouTube, if you have a... oh, there you go. So I am that Korean. Just got deleted. There you go. You're back now. You're back now. You're not deleted now. You're fine because I think one of our moderators was deleting you. And I think they've been hacked. But you're okay now. You're back in. Anyway. All right. Your account is now put back in. You're all good. All right. Okay, let's go through our stocks right now. Some very strange things going on this morning. Accounts being hacked and taken out. I have no idea. Update your passwords, guys. Keep everything clean all the time. All right. Vanguard S&P is up 0.75. If you didn't get the email this weekend for the cash prize giveaways, we have 3 cash prize giveaways now. 3 prizes. If you want to, if you didn't get it, it's because 5 people were unable to get it because I ran out of email, my limit of email. Rob Brennan, super chat. Which celebrity would you like to see first SPCE flight other than yourself? Elon Musk. Elon Musk. Thank you, Rob Brennan. Rob Brennan, we got a super chat here from Rob Brennan. Thank you so much indeed. Let's do a little bit of fireworks this morning, I think. We've had Dexter Sickles and we've had Rob Brennan blow up the channel this morning. Let's have a bit of celebration. Here we go. Thank you very much, guys. Cheers. Thank you so much indeed for that. Very, very kind of you. All right. Appreciate it. Don't forget, if you do a super chat, you can request a song at the end of the show as well. Tesla is now up. We're doing very well this morning. Elon does create hype, to be fair. Absolutely. That's why I'd want it. And I think Elon Musk has bought a ticket as well. Elon Musk has bought a ticket. Rivian is up 2.69, very comfortably above 30 now. All right, we need to run a quick ad break. If you subscribe to Twitch using your Amazon, it is free. If you are an Amazon Prime customer, you get Twitch subscription for free. And I do a prize giveaway or a cash giveaway on the first Friday of every month. That was one of the things in the newsletter. There's my Twitch account. If you've got Amazon Prime, subscribe to me on Twitch, and you get that. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free, and every month I do the first Friday of the month, a prize giveaway. So the first one will be this Friday, just to kick it off, and I'm giving away a Day Trader mug, absolutely free. And if you are an Amazon Prime user, you will get it absolutely free. Doesn't cost you anything at all. All right, just worth thinking about. All right. Okay, Arrival is up 3.42. Amazon is up 1.33. If you've not yet signed up for my newsletter, here it is. And don't forget, we have cash prize giveaways every Friday. In fact, in this week's newsletter, there are 3 And I'm going to put the link on the screen for this week's newsletter, the web version, because some of you didn't get it, because 5 of you didn't get it, because I ran out of email allocation. I've now upgraded it. There it is in the chat for you right now if you want to get the newsletter. It's in the chat right now. Okay, Apple is up 0.55. Robinhood is up 2.14. Let's look at our crypto. Ethereum is up 4.78. I'm up 36% now on Ethereum. I didn't buy it back in like I bought Bitcoin. I'm not chasing it. I'm still waiting for it to crash. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm not going to chase it. I made a video over the weekend about that. You may have seen it. I'm now in the position where I've over-invested. I've put everything into this market that's been down so much. Okay? I put everything in, other than a couple of grand in the bank. I've literally invested more than I wanted. I put everything into this bottom market. So I'm not going to be buying as it goes up. I'm going to be enjoying it going up. Like Warren Buffett says, he loves the red days. The green days, he just watches his money climb. I don't want to be paying more. All right, I've got a little bit of Bitcoin. I've got plenty of BSV. I've got 11 now. I'm up 1.2% on it at the moment. And that's it. I'm only buying shares and crypto if it goes down below my average, and that might not happen. That might never happen again, because I've over-invested. I've got more money in the markets than I need. I always said I'd have like 40% of my money in the stock market. Well, I'm about 90% of my money in the stock market. So I've been buying while it's been cheap, and now it's time to ride it up. I am an Amazon Prime member. I don't see a link to Twitch. It's not in Amazon Prime, Bill. If you go to the Twitch, right, you see the subscribe button. You can subscribe, and if you're a Amazon Prime member, it's free. You just link your Amazon. You use the same email that you use for Amazon Prime, and that's it. That's how it works. Crypto will fall again if Bitcoin doesn't cross 23. That's it. So for me, I'm holding my Bitcoin and BSV right now, right? But I bought more Bitcoin when it went down to 19,000 and 18. And that's it. My average now, as you can see, is 19.6. I don't want my average to go up. I'm not going to chase the stock all the way up. Someone said to me yesterday, you'll buy it when it goes to $100. I said, no, 1,000, 100,000. I said, no, I won't. That's the wrong time to buy it. I'm buying it now, if at all. We got a super chat here. Look at this. From our Korean friend. I have never seen one of these. Let's bring in the fireworks for our friend. Whoa. Thank you very much indeed. Cheers. Thank you ever so much indeed. I've never seen 2,147.48. Is that it? What type of Korean money is that? What is that? How many space do you have now? Right, back to space. I've been holding. I haven't sold any. I have 1,400. 1,400. There we go. Now you notice, guys, we have 4 days to go. Oh, hang on a minute. Did I not do my? I didn't, did I? I didn't do my break. We are way overdue for the commercial break. Hang on a minute. Flipping it, guys. What's going on here? It's $8 to $9. Well, thank you very much. Well, you can request a song at the end of the show. If you want a song, you can request a song at the end of the show. All right. Let me give you the full song list. Okay. You can choose from. Yeah, I've been holding, not been selling. Right, here is the song list. I'm going to give you the song list right now. Here it is. If you want, we've got 3 people now that have tipped for a song, so we can have a song at the end. There is the song list. If you click on that, it brings you to my song list page, and there are 650 songs, and I will do it for you in the show. It's Nam Jung Hun. Nam Jung Hun. Nam Jung Hun. Good morning to you. I hope I pronounced it right. Yeah, if you click on that link there, it'll take you to this page and you can download the song list and you can choose a song. All right, if you want to. But it's a little extra bonus. Thank you ever so much for supporting the channel. And don't forget, if you do do a super chat, I will do a video on a stock for you and highlight it and put it out there. It's, I think, $8 by the end of the week if we finish at 7:50 today, and that would be great. YouTube with Mo, I am Tatum272 on Martyn Lawrence Discord. Nate Miller, are you on our Discord? Are you on our Discord? If you are, you can have that conversation on our Discord. Namjoon, is Space your biggest investment? I love the stock. I have 15,000 shares. No, my biggest stock is, look, that's at 17%, Virgin Galactic. The Vanguard S&P is 18.95. Tesla is 15.77. So the answer to that is it's Virgin Galactic is my second biggest, I think. I love that song. Which song was that? Take On Me by Aha. You can have Aha then. Yeah, it's my biggest. Right, okay. You can have Aha at the end of the show. If you stick to the end of the show, you can have Aha and you can have Take On Me by Aha at the end of the show. I will play that for you. And if you clip it, you can own it, put it on your TikTok, your YouTube, and you can own the video. All right? Fantastic. If you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, let us know you're here. Give us a thumbs up. Didn't see you. I dropped a chat on both Discord servers. Martyn Lucas and the Day Trader. Okay. Here is the... if you are not a member of our Discord, I'm going to give it to you now. Now, I will tell you, as a non-YouTube member, Mo, you only see the public channels. You can't talk to our guests. You can't do any of those things. You have to be a YouTube member. There is the Discord. If you wish to access the Day Trader Discord, it takes 10 minutes to get through. We have the highest level of security if you want to do that. But if you want to be a member here, like you see nearly everybody is, nearly everybody watches our show is a member for the benefits. They get over 20 times the benefits. That's what they tell you. That's what they'll tell you if you ask them. There's the invitation to join, and then you get all the benefits, and then you get the access to the private channels, and you can contact the members. I'm on Discord. Why can't read my messages? Over on Discord, Nate Miller. I'm moving over to Discord now. Tatum272. Nate, which one are you? Which one are you? If Nate, if you're a member here, have I upgraded you yet? Nate Miller, what is your name on? Which one are you on TikTok? Nate, tell me what your name is on TikTok. Have I upgraded you yet? Have I given you your membership status yet as a YouTube member? Because you are a YouTube member. Yeah, that's me, Tate. All right, Tate272. Nate Miller, let me just check. Yeah, now then, let me just check if you've been upgraded. You may have already been. Let me check. Nate. Yes, you are a member. You are a member. I've already done it. So you have full access. So we can see all your comments. All right. Good stuff. Joby Aviation is pumping up now. It will pump this morning. We know that because of the application for the UK. Good morning, Ali. Good morning, Dave. Looking great today. Now we're up 2.38. So we're up on the live position, the hour. Yeah, you're already done. That means you can see all of the... Now, I'll tell you what, if you can't see them, the reason is you may have clicked one of these little arrows. See here, this little arrow. If you click these little arrow, it closes the drop-down box. So you might not see the YouTube members and you might not see in broadcast. Now, If you want to call into the show, you can. The broadcast is now open. This is all just for our YouTube members. All right. If you become a member, you can call in live to the show, promote stuff you want to talk about or whatever, or have your say hello to your friends. But you need to be a YouTube member to be able to see the voice channel here on Discord. All right, back to the shares right now. No, we're not on TikTok. I got banned this morning. I got banned on TikTok. I didn't have any moderators in TikTok, unfortunately. And what happened was I had somebody on TikTok who was saying I was a scammer, and I retaliated to it. And I've now learned you can't, so I won't do it again. I called him, I used the word IDIOT. I'm not even going to use it anymore in case it gets me banned anywhere else. And so TikTok banned me. So there you go. I got someone coming on my channel being naughty. I'm trying to sort of moderate my language now. Being naughty towards me. I retaliated, and I got in trouble. Can you believe that? So there you go. It takes 20. Hopefully they will review it, and in 24 hours I'll be back. But the lesson is, guys, you can all learn from my mistakes, right? People can say what they like to you. Always take the upper hand. Always be nice. Always be polite. Don't retaliate back, even using a very mild term, IDIOT. That will get you taken off TikTok. Yeah, you're damn right it's not fair. I've given over $1 million to charities on this channel. I support people. I go live all the time. But you made me smile this morning because you gave me 3 super chats. So don't worry about it. It's a shame because I would have got my 20,000 followers today. I'm on 19.9. I would have got 20,000 followers. But there you go. I'm being penalised for standing up for myself. But there it is. I've learned the lesson. I won't do it again. Yes, I need my moderators in on TikTok. If someone had been there, call security. If you'd have been there, Ali, you'd have banned him. I wouldn't have seen it. I wouldn't have retaliated, and we'd have been fine. But we've had some other dramas this morning as well. The Queen of Self-Braiding, I think her channel has been hacked. Because she came in this morning, even though she's not here, she banned one of our members who wasn't saying anything inappropriate, our friend here from Korea, and she banned him, and so I've removed her as a moderator. When she comes back later on, we'll explain. I think someone said she's probably in a internet cafe, insecure account. Someone's hacked her. They've gone onto the YouTube. They've abused her YouTube account. I think that's what's happened. But there we go. So I had to remove her as a moderator. So all moderators, please go and check and update your emails. That's what happened to Bill. Remember? Bill couldn't be a moderator either for the same reason. His account was hacked. It's awful, isn't it? Apple is up 0.54. Robinhood is up 1.9. McDonald's up 0.14. Coca-Cola up 0.18. Thanks for my coffee, Leah, by the way. Mike's always on this. Leah just brought me a cup of coffee in my black day trader mug, which you can get from the shop, by the way. Look at that. Very cool. Thanks, Leah. He always does it, Leah. Welcome, Mike, Leah says. He always does it. You can always rely on him. So there we go. Johnson, ha, ha, ha. Google is splitting today. You may notice I now have 3 shares of Google. See that? Look. Oh, can we have a Green Day poll before the market opens? Absolutely right. We've already had a poll. Here we go. Rob Brennan's done a super chat this morning saying, can we have a poll? Can we have a poll? So, absolutely we can. Of course we can. Right, let's do it right now. So first of all, let's do the fireworks. That's a huge tip this morning from Rob Brennan. Thank you very much indeed. There we go. Cheers for that one. Absolutely awesome stuff. And you even get the blower. There we go. Absolutely great. Super chat. Can we have a poll? Yes, all members can have polls. Green or red day? Green or red day. I can't even spell green. I've no idea what that's about. At the end of the show, if our friend from Korea sticks with us, we're doing Aha, Take On Me. Right, green or red day. So let's go green. Flipping heck, Martin. Learn to spell the word green. Learn to control a mouse. My God. Green or red day? Ask the community. There we go. Rob is making too much money with his space stocks. Right, I don't think we're going to get a discount on Google. If you want to own some more Google, you might want to get some. We're having a big pump today. It is down, but it's growing. If you want to own this stock right now, and I do, I really do. I'm going to buy some shares this morning. I'm up $2,000 on pre-market, says Rob. I'm going to buy. How many shares do I want to get? Your market 3 is 100. 5. Yeah. Let's go. 5 will take me. Review order. Okay. So let's do a limit order. Okay, buy Google. Here we go. I'm going to buy some Google. Should have bought it before, but I do want this as part of my portfolio. 100. Let's just call it 115. The reason for that, you need to allow. Good for the day. Allow to execute in hours. There we go. Oh, nice little drop. Thank you very much. Review the order. 115. So it will go through. I want to get into this stock now. I've waited long enough. I'm only up 8%, and it's down big time. It may go lower. But then I will buy. I'll buy some more. That's what I'll do. There we go. I bought some. I want that in my portfolio. Now, I bought that knowing it could actually drop on open. It could, but the idea is I'd like to own some more. I believe now. This is going to start to go up. Okay, so red or green day. We've got green. Green has been voted so far. Okay. Now, I just want to say, to make it absolutely clear, right? Any financial advice you get, it looks like YouTube with Mo is offering some technical analysis. Obviously, I don't verify anyone that comes onto my channel. This is not financial advice. What you receive from others is down to your own discretion. I just want that absolutely clear. We do our very, very best to get great people on our channel. I don't know the advice that is given here. I can't verify it. So, do your own due diligence. I just want that absolutely clear that we do not offer financial advice. So YouTube with Mo is offering to do us some technical analysis, I believe, for somebody. And that's wonderful. Thank you. But I can't verify it. And I don't offer financial advice. I just want that absolutely clear and said on the record. We're here to help people and share what we do with our real money. That's all we can do. All right? We don't do any more than that. Joby is popping up. It could be good today. It could be good. But I'd rather get it on a dip, honestly. So there we go. I have got some more Google today, despite I bought it. It's up from my average. I have got some because I do want to own some Google in my portfolio. I know I own it through the S&P 500, obviously, but I would like to own some Google. But that's enough. Now the plan is now, if on open we do get a pullback, I will buy some more. I think around about 1,500 to 2,000 would be a good position on Google. I think that's a very, very good stock to own. But I think there's every chance with today being so green that this could keep going and going. Because remember, Google is oversold. Google is. Now remember, Google makes money from ad revenue. I can tell you firsthand, I have seen my ad revenue start to go up. That is what's called the CPM rate, the click per thousand, the cost per thousand. What that means is businesses are now starting to put more money into advertising their businesses, which is why my CPM rate's going up, which means I can tell you inside, if you like, what's going on there. Google will be making more money because ad revenue to its creators is going up. It always goes up at the end of the summer into Christmas, but we have had a big drop off because of the recession and inflation and the war. You know, businesses have not been investing the way they normally would because we're on a downtrend. So Google makes money from ad revenue, and I can tell you firsthand that the CPM rate to me has gone up only very slightly, but it has. And that means companies are paying higher prices for their ad revenue. They're putting more money into their ad revenue. There's more competition competing for ad space, which means creators make a bit more money. Google make a lot more money. So it makes sense to me that this is a time to get in. When you look at Google has dropped off so much, I know it was better 3 weeks ago, but now with the stock split, that helps. But what I've done is I've decided to sort of look at it and think, all right, what is my allocation? And I've said about $2,000. I think it's a good, very, very good company to own. Let's be honest. So if what I'm waiting for it to do now is drop, even though I bought it, if it goes up, that's great. I've got 8 shares. Great. I've got 8 shares of Google. That's fine. I'm happy with that. But if it does drop today, I will pick it up. That's how I'm playing it. All right. That's how I think it should be done. Okay, we've got 4 minutes to go before the bell. We're coming up to the bell. And it looks like... Oh, hang on a minute. We've got some comments here. Let's have a look. 2,000. You gotta carry me along. Rob Brennan is up $2,000. 2,000 this morning on SPCE. He's up more than that now. He's up more than that. I would imagine he's up more than that right now. Very good. But Rob has sold some of his position. Now, this is where you compare long-term investing with day trading. Day trading, you always make more money if you get it right. If you get it right. But 95% of day traders lose. All right, that's a fact. So if you get it right, you make more money. But if you get it wrong, long-term investors overall make more money on the average. Wilmo, I'll look at... What's your Discord name? There we go. Let me have a look. So, 3 minutes to go. Virgin Galactic is going up. We're bound to get a pullback on the open. I would have thought. But I absolutely 100% believe it's a green day. If I could vote on the poll, I would, but I can't. I can't vote on my own poll. It doesn't let me do it. But that's what I think. No question about it. I wish I had the money to buy some more space. Yeah. Understand, Bill. Okay. Joby just got going down. Like I said it would. This could drop down before it goes up again. It's great. I like it. It's applied to the UK for a license. That's all good. Right, if you just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. I wish I had some money, full stop. Yeah. Subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. Give us a thumbs up. Let's try and we got 21 likes. That's pretty good this morning. I'm very happy with that. All right, we got 1.5 minutes to go. Joby's just going down. The overall portfolio now is up 2.39. We're very close to 37,000. That's a huge turnaround, right? Vanguard S&P is up 0.8. There might be a sell-off at the open. We shall see. 1 minute to go. Here we go. 1 minute to go. Here we go. This is going to be a very interesting open. If we get a pump on the open, that's going to blow my mind, because normally on a Monday morning, when we've had a pump like this, we get a sell-off. But markets have... There we go. This is why I didn't go all in. I still bought some though, because we could go up on it. But I'm looking for it to go down so I can buy some more. But it doesn't matter. I've got enough. I don't mind. That's not a bad position. That's all right. If it suddenly pops up and I've only got 8, fine. Not a problem. Okay, here we go. 15 seconds to go. Let's watch Google. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're off. The markets are open. The bell has now gone. Okay, what's Google going to do? If it does go all the way down or some drop, I will buy some more. It could well do that, but the overall market is up. It's going up, look. That's not a problem. If my average goes down, there we go, 110. I'll buy some more if it drops. I want to get about 1,500. 1,500, but I'm up 2% on it at the moment. I'd want to get a drop if I can. Joby did pop up. The overall portfolio is up now, nearly 2.58. 2.58. Vanguard S&P is waiting to decide what it's going to do to refresh. Virgin Galactic 272. Flipping heck. How much money have you got now, Rob? Happy days. Virgin Orbit just dropping back a little bit. Tesla is up. It's not doing it. It's not moved yet. Rivian is just going down a bit. Lucid is up 2%. Rolls-Royce is up 6.5%. Have I got an opportunity to get out of Rolls-Royce now? I'm still down 8%. That's looking much better. PayPal is 1.24. We've got now IonQ is up 1.53. We've got SoFi up 1.59. Meta is up 0.69, just falling back slightly. Microsoft up 0.79. I've got a good position with Microsoft. Google, okay, we're getting an opportunity to buy some more. Here we go. It's only, there we go, it's bouncing back. I don't mind. That's okay. For me to buy more, it's got to go negative. It's got to go negative for me to buy more. That's all. Right. Johnson & Johnson is down 0.19. But I'm still up on the stock. Coca-Cola is down 0.16. Down very slightly. McDonald's is up 0.09. We're up now 3%. We're up 3%. This is probably coming from Virgin Galactic. SPCE stock is on fire. Okay, here we go. Here we go right now. Virgin Galactic is pumping. We need to make a video. You guys know how it works. This is a big pump now. So, Rob Brennan, what are you doing? This is where you decide how much you believed in the stock in the first place. Do you keep selling it and taking profits? You do have a huge amount of money in it, or at least you did. I know you've trimmed back, but now, of course, you're already thinking, why didn't I hold it? But this is the big question, right? This is the big question. Joby is up big time today. There we go. Really, really good. My portfolio now is up. We're nearly 37,000. We've hit 37,000, 3.5%. That's a huge pump this morning. Huge pump this morning, up 3.5%. We are really up today. This is looking fantastic. Very, very nice indeed. 3.5% now. Absolutely great. That's a massive jump this morning. Things are only going to get better. That's very, very nice indeed. Now then, we asked you, would it be a green or red day? You've gone for green. I was green, but I can't vote. Joby Aviation, great news today. Up big time. 3.9. That's a huge, huge pump now. There we go. Look at this, guys. Up 4.22%. Fantastic. Right, I need to make a video. We need to make a video. So where are we now on the show? My computer is, we're getting really slow today. 59 minutes. Flippin' heck, I'm struggling today with technology. Okay, we're getting all kinds of issues today. Is my account under attack again? 59 mins, SPCE. Yeah, I'm getting all kinds of difficulties this morning with my account. Flippin' heck, this is terrible. I've been saying Joby for weeks. Arrival pumping, Virgin Galactic. Yeah, but where do you put your money? You can't be in everything. We all know that Joby's going to do great, but you can't be in everything. So it's a matter of choice. What do you invest in? You can't be in all of it. Don't miss out. If you've put your money in something in SPCE, why do you care? Doesn't make any difference, does it? You can't be in everything. Right, Joby Aviation is still pumping. Good news, 3.9 now, my portfolio. Up to 30. That's a huge jump today. Absolutely huge. Right, here comes the sell-off. We're going to have it. Don't think you just get free money forever and ever and ever. Vanguard S&P is up 0.88. Virgin Galactic is up. Virgin Orbit is up. DNA, Ginkgo Bioworks, 7.7. Tesla, 742. Now here comes a little bit of the sell-off. Rivian is up to now $32. Still going up. Lucid is up. Polestar is up. Arrival is up nearly 5.8%. In the UK right now, I bet people are screaming at Arrival to get those EV trucks out. People are going to get sick and tired of gas guzzlers on the road when the heat keeps going up. Right, Joby Aviation is still pumping. Hang on a minute. Let me quieten that down. London now is at 3.9. Flipping heck, I'm getting all sorts of issues here with my technology this morning. We've got temperatures over 40 degrees now in London. People in London are dying. All right? It's not just a nice sunny day. It's life-threatening. We need innovation. We need gas cars off the road tomorrow. We need solar. We need wind. We need to power everything green. We need to protect our environment right now. So these stocks are going to pump, guys. Arrival is at the forefront of that. So people are going to get more and more into it, thinking we have to get behind this stuff. Apple is going down today. Got a few issues at Apple, of course, we now know. Robinhood is up 3.69. McDonald's is down, but that will bounce straight back up again. Coca-Cola. I can't believe why I'm having so much difficulty on my on YouTube today. I'm fighting with all my technology today. Johnson & Johnson going down. Now Google dipped a little bit. Didn't dip enough. It's okay. I've got 8 shares of Google now. It sounds great, doesn't it? You don't really. Of course, it's just split. You know, used to be $3,000 a share. But anyway, there you go. No, what was it before the split? I can't remember now. What was Google before the split? Was it $3,000 or was it? I can't remember now. Anyway, forgotten. I've already forgotten how much it was. Joby might go down after reaching 5.8. It might well do. People will take profits at that and buy it back again. But the thing is, you now know it's got that top. It can do it again. So if it goes back down, that's the time to get in, right? 5.5. It's great. Looking very, very nice. But this stock could drop very, very quickly, okay? It's only applied for the license. It's not got the business. Whoa, 4.13. Bloody hell. I mean, seriously, guys, look at that. That's a hell of a pump. Now, our biggest pump we ever had on the show was 11%. We made 11% in one day. That was our biggest ever. We're up on the week. We're up on the month, obviously. Let's have a look. We're up on the month now. 16.73. Now, the 3 months is our next target. We are now down just nearly 30% down. I want to see 29%. That's what I want to see. This is phenomenal, guys. Really, really great. Really, really great. Let me bring up some of these comments here. What a day it's turning out to be, says Zach. I've been saying Joby for the weeks. I'm up 3,000 so far. Very, very nice. That's Dexter Sickles. Arrival is pumping, says says Paul. Joby Aviation now is up 4.56. Here's Dexter Sickles up 3%, 3,000 so far. Joby Aviation is firing off. I'm not in it right now. I used to be, but I'm not right now. I've got my money elsewhere. It's working elsewhere. Let's go back to the day position, 4.3. This is one hell of a thing. Canoe. All right, Gove. Let's go to Gove. It's dropped now. It's down 2%. Lucid pumping as well. Gove. Canoe. You asked me to look at it. It's going down 3.6%. This is the military. This is the connection with the military and also the connection with... what did we talk about? Walmart. So we're up 15% though. It's allowing me a bit of a discount. I think that'll come back. Everything's going to sell off in a minute. It's not going to keep going all the way. Lucid, we're up now. Joby Aviation's up 4.1. 4.3 now. DM up 7%. There we go. The top's coming for the first time. If you just look in there, look, there is a little bit of a top now for the very first time this morning. Okay, we're now just dropping. There we go. The S&P is coming off. This is where you could take profits and buy back. Virgin Galactic up 2.99. Are you going to buy it again? Virgin Orbit up 2.37. Tesla is up 3.51. Just coming off the top now. Rivian's up 32. Lucid. I sold space for a $6,000 profit. Oh, absolutely awesome. Congratulations, Rob. See, Rob is playing this the very opposite way of me right now, but he's probably making a lot more money. And not just because he's got more, obviously, invested in it. Percentage-wise, he's making a lot more money because my profit could go back to zero again now. And he'll buy it back and do it again. So he's rinse and repeating. Just made $6,000. Now, remember, if you do trade like this, like Rob is, he'll pay tax on that. Of course he will. He has to pay tax on that. So you've got to weigh that into it. And will it suddenly flip back up again? Well, if he buys it back in again, but that's always the thing you have to decide. How far down is it going to go? Are you going to buy in lower than you bought in before or higher? I mean, ideally you want to go lower. Gove is now down 4.7. Nice one, Rob. Fantastic. Making some serious money. Not if he's doing it in his ISA. No, absolutely. Well, of course. Nice, Rob. If I made it in one day, I would call off work. Joby at a dip and going back up. That's good sign for the stock. Now we've got the S&P. The overall portfolio is just falling, but we are up 3.3. I think the way we're looking right now, we're going to get a very small dip and carry on going. I think this is a very good sign for the stock today. I think we're going to carry on going. So looking very, very good, guys. The S&P, there you go. Look, the small dip and going back up like I predicted. All right, Virgin Galactic is turning straight round and going back up again. It took me 2 years to make $6,000. Yep, you made it in 10 minutes. Yeah, tell me about it, mate. Tell me about it. Virgin Orbit is going down. It's up 1.35 and took 24 hours to lose it all. Yeah, indeed. If you sold when you're down, Tesla is up now 4%. Very strong Tesla. Now, we've got earnings around the corner, folks. Is this, buy the rumor, sell the news? Is this a pump to the earnings? We've got another week or so before earnings, and then things get very interesting. We've also got a very big day on July the 27th. It's the FOMC report again. That was our biggest ever video. If you remember that, guys, we had 6,000 people watch that show. Very, very important day when the Fed report. And if they put up rates by 1%, which is expected, and if inflation peaks or comes down, it's going to be great, great news for the markets, all right? Of course, it's not if it goes the other way. Polestar, up 2.8. Arrival up 5.14. Amazon up 1. I'm not in ISA, so I'm going to pay tax. There you go. There you go. Apple is up 0.31. Robinhood is up now 3.8. I've got a very small position, not much anymore. I used to have a lot of this, not much. But paying tax will mean I've made money. Yes, I'll just confirm that, by the way. My accountant always used to say to me, Martin, I would love $1 million tax bill. It means I made 4. So, you know, having a big tax bill means you made a lot of money. So don't worry about it. Who would love $1 million tax bill? It means you've made a lot of money. So don't worry. Google, right then. Google. Is that the lowest we're going to go? So let's have a quick look. I'm up 1.88. It's presenting me an opportunity. I don't think it's gone low enough, to be fair. I've got a good position. I've got 8 shares. I've got nearly $1,000. I just bought in a few moments ago. And I said it would go down. 5 shares at 114. It's now 112. It's not a big enough discount to buy more. Because to own $1,000 of Google, it's not a bad position. It's 1.49 of my portfolio. It's down at the moment. No. I will buy more when it goes down. You got to have patience. You've got to think, well, okay, it's 1.49 of my portfolio. It's a good position. Maybe I want 2 or 3%. Maybe I'd like to double my position. Well, then it'll either double its position by growth alone, or it'll do that by a dip on an earnings. So I'm going to hold. Have patience. Enjoy it going up, but hold. Okay, thanks, mate. Ali Isles. All capital gains and dividends are exempt from ISA, Ali. I'm just using eToro, so I'm not in my Azusa. In your ISA. I was reading Azusa. Going to buy 5,000 more shares soon. Rob, my wife is a chair accountant in Toronto, the major transportation expert of Ontario trains and buses. Yes, YouTube with Mo, I've invested $110,000, waiting to invest some more. Nice bill, CG. Right, there we go. Google is coming back up. But I'm happy with the amount I own. Remember, it doesn't earn a dividend. There's no extra benefits from this stock. It's just the stock itself. It's just growth. I've got it when it's down. I'm up 2.5%. That's okay because the stock is way down from its high. It's going to increase very quickly because of YouTube ad spend. All that stuff is how Google makes its money. Remember, Google own YouTube. So it's got a long way to go. I can grow a 2%, 2.5%, maybe even 3% portfolio allocation on that without buying any more. I think I'll buy it if it goes lower. I'm happy with that. No, seriously, guys, I'm happy with that. Joby has kept on going. Joby has proved to be good. Very, very nice. My overall portfolio now is up 3.7. 37,000. We were at 28,000 just a few weeks ago. Absolutely fantastic, guys. Absolutely fantastic. If you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up, let us know you're here. I'm really frustrated I'm not on TikTok this morning because I would have hit by 20,000 followers this morning on this show. It's a real shame. But anyway, never mind. Got to accept it. Never bite back at anyone being rude again. I've learned a lesson. I've learned a good lesson. Learn it now where I'm a small channel. Right, TikTok. I'm going to restart TikTok. We've got an issue in TikTok. Thank you for letting me know. I'm going to restart TikTok for my subscribers. Okay. Sorry, not TikTok. Twitch. I beg your pardon. I'm going to restart TikTok right now. Twitch. Flipping heck. For someone who hasn't got a big share in SPC, it is now a good time to add to position. Absolutely. It's going to go $100 a share. I don't doubt it for a second. I never doubted it. That's why I own it. That's why I own it. I've never sold it. I keep buying more. Rob Brennan invested 120,000 in it. Right, I'm restarting Twitch, guys, for you right now. So if you are over there on Twitch, I'm restarting it for you. And then you can go back there and I'll tell you it's been done. Virgin Galactic is going back up again. 7.69. Okay, we're now going to restart Twitch. I've stopped it. I'm now starting it again. If you want to rejoin me on Twitch, please do. Keep a tab open. It supports the channel. It supports the channel without you having to spend any money. You just keep it open as a tab. Now then, let me turn it back on again. Now then, if you didn't receive our newsletter, we had a newsletter that went out on Monday. Here it is. We have 3 cash prize giveaways this week. 3. There are 3 right now. So 3 reasons why, at least 3 reasons why you need the newsletter. Here it is in the chat right now. Click on that. Is our friend from Korea still here? Because we'll do aha at the end if you are here. That was your request, all right? When you click on it, it brings you to the links page, and I'll show you what it looks like. You put your email in, and you verify it, and you will receive the weekly newsletter. Now then, if you've already subscribed to the newsletter but didn't receive it, there's a reason for that. I ran out of allocation for emails. I've now upgraded my account, so I will give you the... this is what it looks like when you click on that link. I will give you the newsletter here, the web version. I don't want you to miss out on the cash prize giveaways, so here it is. If you did not receive the email because you didn't get it because I ran out of allocation, here is the email. I'll give it to you right now, so you can still get our email this week. Here it is. This is the web version, and you can enter the competition. I have 3 running. I have one on Twitch and 2 on YouTube. Okay. There it is. There's the web version of the newsletter, so you can all get it. Okay. All right. Now, if you are an Amazon customer and you subscribe to me on Twitch, it's free. And the first Friday of the month, I do a cash prize or a merchandise prize for free. If you are a YouTube Amazon Prime member, you will get the Twitch subscription for free. It costs you nothing, and you can be in a draw on the first Friday of the week. Of the month, every month for free, cost you nothing. That's in that newsletter. So I strongly recommend if anyone here is an Amazon Prime member, please follow me on Twitch, subscribe. It's free, cost you absolutely nothing ever, and you're supporting the channel. Plus, you're in extra prize giveaways as well for free. Here is my Twitch account. So if you've got Amazon Prime, you click on Twitch. There it is. I've just put it in the chat for you. Now then, Enphase Energy. Tom Clipsome has just announced, maybe I should be a day trader and sell courses. Yeah, you could do that. I literally made 3,000 per month at my job. Make under 3 grand per month at my job. I've made 15 grand in the last 7 days. There you go, Rob. And remember, you wasn't even going to buy this stock. You wasn't even going to buy it. Remember, Rob Brennan wasn't even going to buy it. He said, oh, good morning, Dr. Smith. Dr. Smith is here this morning. Lovely to see you, Dr. Smith. There we go, Enphase Energy. This is now going to be the hot stock. I'm telling you right now, this is going to be the hot stock because people now firsthand around the world today are dying because of the heat, because of global warming. In London now it's over 40 degrees and most houses in London do not have air conditioning. People are dying. People are realizing now we need solar now. We need EVs now. We need to cut pollution now. People literally are dying in London today. They can't bloody breathe. Unbelievable. I can't even imagine. I know how hot it is here in Texas, and we've got air conditioning. And it's hotter today in London than it is in Texas. And we've got air conditioning. And I'll tell you now, I would seriously be ill if there was no air conditioning right now. If I go outside of my house right now, I literally burn. Literally burn. It is like being cooked. It is terrifying, right? And it's hotter today in London than it is in Texas. And there's no air conditioning. Flippin' heck. It was very hot in Paris. Dr. Nathan Smith, did you get my text about your soundbite? You can do it. You are a member on YouTube. You are on Discord. You can call in via Discord. Do it live on the show. If you want to, or do it through your phone. The broadcast lounge is now open. Here is the broadcast lounge. Look, all my members on Discord can click on this channel at the bottom and call in live to the show. I will send. Great. Thank you ever so much, Dr. Smith. Thank you so much indeed. Right. So, Joby Aviation. It's good for the environment. It's flying taxis. It popped up today. I'm waiting for an opportunity to buy it back in. I'm already in though. 37,000. Look at that. We're up on the week. We're up on the month now, and we are now trying to go up on the 3 months. We're 30%. I'm just looking for a 0.5%, and we'll be under 30% down, and that's where I want to be. All right, looking good. Still climbing up nearly. Oh, it's still going. It's still going. Right, Vanguard S&P. I've been saying now for weeks that the high-tech sector, high-risk, high-tech market has bottomed. The overall market may not have done, but the high-tech sector have. Virgin Galactic is now up again. Virgin Orbit is now up 2.63, just dropping back. Tesla is up 3.76, doing very, very nicely indeed. Right, we've got a good audience with us this morning. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up. I'm running out of data. Thank you very much for the time. Enjoyed the stay. Mo, sorry. Thank you very much for being here. I am the human embodiment of risk, Ali. Consider being a member, Mo, and then you can talk to all our guests, and you can have your own channel on Discord. You'll also get all the extra perks. You can call in live. Maybe worth thinking about. There you go. There's the invitation to join. Right now, if you didn't receive the newsletter, we have 3 cash giveaways. I'm going to give you the web version for those of you that didn't get it, because 5 of you didn't get it because I ran out of email allocation. I've now upgraded, so it will be fixed. But here is the web version of it. We have 3 cash giveaways. If you are an Amazon Prime customer, if you subscribe to me on Twitch, it's free. It costs you nothing. And every month we are giving away a prize on the first Friday of the month. So that's a free prize. There's only 5 subscribers, so you have a 20% chance of winning every month a cash prize or a physical prize every month for doing absolutely nothing. It's free if you are an Amazon Prime member. All right. If you don't have Cash App, don't worry. I'm finding other ways to donate the prizes. We're going to use crypto as prizes as well now. So there's going to be Cash App, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or some crypto as well. So don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. I can donate with crypto if you've got a crypto wallet as well. So anyone can win the cash prizes now, so even more reason to get involved. Right, Virgin Galactic now is up 4.76. Let's see. Let's have a quick look on our emails. Has it gone up this morning? 114 plays, 86 verified. I want to make sure all the 86 get verified. 114, 86. In Nigeria, yep. If you've got either PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, or you have a crypto wallet like BSV or Bitcoin, I can send money that way as well now. For free, exactly the same. Okay, we're opening it up to more people. We want more people to be involved. All right. Okay. Joby Aviation coming up. My portfolio is coming up now. Where are we now? We're at 4.24, and we're still going up. We're still going up. We had a tiny rejection, but overall it's kept on going. Really good. Let's go back to our main show right now. I'm just checking a few things. There we go. Now, if you've just tuned in, subscribe or ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Let's put Mr. Mini on the screen. We want 30 likes in the next minute. We're all making so much money. It's absolutely great. Everyone's winning. Oh, and by the way, Rob Brennan became a silver member, and he's donated his fundraiser to Zach. Is Zach here? We are going to do a fundraiser for Zach. So if you are here, Zach, let us know. Rob Brennan, if you are here, let us know. Rolls Royce is up 3%. DNA, Ginkgo, Canoe. Right. It's coming back up again. An opportunity to buy more, folks. It went down 7%. This will come back up again. This is going to be good. We're going to need this more than ever. The military, US military, are involved in this stock. And also Walmart. This is good. And Walmart stocks, let's have a look at Walmart. Just on a wash right now. So I think Canoe, Gove. This stock's going to come back up. This is your second opportunity to buy this stock. I'm up 12%. I'm not buying any more. I've got enough. I don't need any more of a stock like that. That's perfectly fine. I'm owning it, holding it. Mate, I'm sorry. No worries at all. I'm 19 next month. 19. If you become a member, we celebrate your birthday on the show. It's another perk you get. And we help you. And you should be a member of this channel. And then you get access to Discord. You get the birthday celebrations. You get the fundraisers. Zach's here. How much did you lose, Mo? Is the question from Rob Brennan. Okay, Canoe. Let's go back here now. Joby Aviation is still going up. I've not got any right now. My portfolio is just dropping now. Just dropping a little bit. Okay, we want 30 likes in the next minute. Let's put a minute clock up. Here's a 1 minute clock. Here we go. You ready, folks? We want a 1 minute clock. We want 30 likes. Let's do it. Here we go. Chicky 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 hoop ba ba. Chicky 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 hoop ba ba. Chicky 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 hoop ba. We need 30 likes. We need 30 likes. With the real Sotoshi, please stand up. Please stand up. Please stand up. With the real Sotoshi, please stand up. Nakamoto. With the real Sotoshi, please stand up. Please stand up. Please stand up. With the real Sotoshi, stand up. Nakamoto. We need 6 more likes. Rob Brennan, are you up on the month now, Martin? Yes, I'm up 17% on the month. I'm up 17% on the month. Very much so. Yes, indeed. Up 17%. There we go. We're back in again. There we go. Yeah, up 17% on the month. Looking very nice indeed. How many likes did we get? 25. We gained a few likes. Not too bad at all. Right then. Let's go back to the trading screen and see how we're doing. Yeah, up on the month. Looking very, very good indeed. And we're still going up, folks. We had a bit of a rejection again. Every time we get a rejection, the markets go up. Ironic that it matched the amount you made in a day. Oh no, was that the most of your money? Flipping heck. That's a lot, Mo. Joby Aviation, 4.72. Looking good. I trade on Binance. I wouldn't use... Binance isn't for me. Crypto isn't for me. You guys know that. And I'm going to say that to Mo as he's here right now. This is my pyramid of investment. All right? The bottom part of the pyramid is my home. Right? and then my solid stocks and shares and in the bank. And then as I go up, the risk gets higher, the money gets less, and then right on the top is a lottery ticket. And in my case, a lottery ticket is crypto. So what I've done, I have 3 crypto right now. I have Bitcoin SV. I own 11. I own 11 Bitcoin SV. Because if Bitcoin SV is the real Bitcoin, as some people say, and it's got a lot of investment in it, a lot of people are building infrastructure and businesses around BSV, this could be $1 million a coin. I've got 11. I don't need any more. So I don't care how cheap it gets. I don't care if Bitcoin SV goes to $1. If it goes to $1, it means it's all over. It's all rubbish. So I'm not buying it. Someone said, well, why don't you buy it if it goes to $1? Why? If it goes to $1, it's rubbish. It's going to go to 0. I've got 11. So if it goes to $1 million, I've got $11 million. I never need to own any more. I know my objectives. I know how much money I need. I don't want to be the richest man in the world. I just want a nice pension. I only need $200,000 in my portfolio. Then all I need to do is move it to dividend stocks. That's it. That's it. I can live on that. I own my house. I've got no loans. I've got no debts. That's it. So if Bitcoin SV goes up, I don't buy anymore. I enjoy it rising all the way up. And when it gets to some silly amount, if it ever does, I don't know, and I'm 70 years of age, I'll sell it all and I'll put it all in high dividend stocks. That's it. That's exactly what I'm doing. That's my plan. If it goes to $1, I ain't buying any more. If it goes to $50, I ain't buying any more. I've got 11. Why do I need any more? That's that one. Bitcoin, I've now got an average of 19,000. That's great. That's lower than a lot of people. A lot of people have averages of 30, 40, 50, 60. I've got an average of 19. I refuse to pay more than 19,000 for it. If it goes up, I've got $279. I've still got a few $1,000 if it goes up to $1 million, right? Okay, without any risk whatsoever. If it goes down to every time it goes down below 19, every $1,000 it goes down, I'll pick up another $100, all the way down to 10 grand. So by the time it hits 10 grand, which I think it will, if it doesn't, I don't care. If it goes up, that's fine. If it does go down to $10,000, I will own about maybe $1,500, maybe $1,500 of it at that point. Then if it goes up to $1 million, I got plenty. And the reason for that is anyone can make money on the stock market. It's easy. The hard part is keeping it. It's a monkey, an idiot, someone with no intelligence whatsoever can make money on the stock market. The hard part is keeping it. It's controlling your emotions, FOMO, fear of missing out, knowing what your target is, stick to your target and have discipline. The moment you go off the rails, start chasing a stock, get excited about making money. Yeah, great. But the moment you get excited beyond your control, then you lose money. Every time, 95% of day traders lose money. All right? So sometimes investing is boring. Going to work, working hard is boring. Too many people today, particularly millennials, right? They want to get rich in 5 minutes for doing nothing just by buying crypto and sitting back and just nothing. I don't believe in that. I believe in hard work, dedication, commitment will always win long term, always. So all you've got to do is decide what is it you need to do. What is your objective? And the objective should be, the only objectives you should have here is, why are we here? Well, we're here first of all because we're a family and we're enjoying the company, and that's a separate issue though, right? We're trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world, help people, raise money for charities, have a great time. That's one thing. And that's done. That's in the bag. That's happening every day. That's done. This portfolio, though, my stocks and shares, is for one reason and one reason only. To make me enough money so I don't have to worry about money in the future. That's it. Now, that doesn't mean I have to make millions of dollars and get excited. It just means I need 200 grand because in my situation, because I have no loans, I have no car loan, I own my house, it's solar panels, it runs for free. I only need $200,000 to then move to dividend stocks to pay me an income of 20 grand a year for the rest of my life. That's more than I need. And then when I get to about 70 or 80, I sell the whole lot and sit on the beach. That's all I need. I'm done. I'm not leaving anybody any money. I'm not trying to, do anything more than that. So anything above that is pointless, is futile, is unnecessary risk, unnecessary stress. And that's what I'm working for, and I'm going to stick to that. It's like now, when Google went up, I didn't suddenly get excited and go, Google split, it's going up, I can own more. No, I don't need to own any more. Google does not need to be 50% of my portfolio. It only needs to be 3 or 4%, and it will grow there all by itself. There you go. The knowledge of and gain is worth more than I lost. But what you've lost has hopefully taught you lessons worth more than you've lost. And what you've gained in friendship and support here on the channel should be more, right? There are people here who have made lots of money because of this channel. Rob Brennan has made money because of the channel. He bought a Virgin Galactic because of what we do here. He's made money. Zach's made money on his charities and his fundraisers because of the family. I've made money learning from you. We all win together. All right? GRAB. How about NVAX stock? Safe to invest, please. Olapaju, I think I pronounced that right. If you are a member of the channel, I will review a stock for you. It's reserved for members of the channel. I also not only review it, I'll make a video on it and post it to YouTube so it promotes the stock. Okay? If I get time, I will look at the stock for you, but it is a membership perk. All right? So anyway, here's the invitation to join should you wish to be a member, and you gain many, many perks and benefits. Ask anyone. You see everyone with the badge after their name. That's because they're members, and they will tell you that they gain 20 times what they put in. Anyway, I've lost my money but made friends. Ah, how cute. There you go. Joby's pulling back again now. I said it would. The overall portfolio. Right, now then, let's see what it does now. Are we going to get a massive crash? Or is it going to bounce back up again? Now, if it pulls back, that's okay. It presents an opportunity, but it tells you that the bull run today is over. But if it hits a point here, resistance, and goes up again, then that shows you that this bull run has a long way to go. So let's see what happens right now. The S&P is just falling back a little bit. Virgin Galactic. Is our friend from Korea still here? Because at the end of the show, we're going to do a request. Aha, take on me if he's still here. He gave me a great tip from Korea. Oh, Virgin Galactic, here we go. Now then, Rob Brennan, what have you done this time? Have you, Ali? I thought you just lost money. Lost a lot of NVAX stock last week. I'm sorry to hear that. If I get time, I'll look at it for you. If I'm a member. Oh, nice. He's still here. Great. We haven't forgotten you. That's coming up in the next 45 minutes. We end the show, and I will do your song. "Take on Me" by Aha is requested by our friend here from Korea. Take on Me, yes, indeed. Tesla is up 2.86, just falling back slightly. Let's have a look at Google now. Can I buy some more? No, not cheap enough. Remember. Decide what you want to pay for the stock. Let the stock come to you. The stock, at some point, will always come to you. I'll be off. I'll be back in about an hour. Fantastic. Well, in 45 minutes, the show will end. And right at the end of the show, we're doing Aha, Take on Me. So if you're back in 45 minutes, you'll catch the last few minutes of the show and you can hear Take on Me. That's for our friend in Korea. Okay, here we go. Bitcoin, SV, all falling back a little bit. Enphase Energy, great pump today. I've got 15%. What about Rio Tinto? We've not been talking about Rio Tinto today. Very, very important. Rio Tinto had a big discount. I tripled my investment. Did anybody else do that? I tripled my investment on Rio Tinto. Let's see if anybody else did that. Let's have a little look. Now then, we have a cash prize giveaway every Friday. Every Friday, We have 3 this Friday. 3. We're doing 3 cash prize giveaways now. So if you've not yet got the email newsletter, it's free to enter, free for all. Here is the newsletter you need to subscribe to. It's free. Just click on this link. If you didn't receive the email, tell me. 5 of you didn't, and I will give you the web version. It's because I ran out of email allocation, but I fixed that now. And when you click on that link, it'll bring you to this page here. You click on it, you put your email in, and then you verify the email. And because it's a cash giveaway, we give money away. Sometimes the email goes into junk. Not because it is junk, it simply does that because emails that say cash giveaways, often they think as junk. So the email you're looking for in your junk folder is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Here is the email in the chat right now. There it is. See it? Go and look for that. Okay, great. Okay, now if you didn't receive the newsletter because you're one of those people who it ran out of allocation, here is the web version for those of you who would like to be in the cash prize giveaways for this Friday. Here is the web version. I don't normally share that. You have to be an email customer, but I'm sharing it because some of you didn't get it because I ran out of emails. Okay. Okay. Now then, we're getting a slight pullback. We're starting to hit a rejection. Here we go. Now then, if it goes up from here, this is very, very encouraging. Watch right now. We're just getting a rejection. If it bounces off this and goes lower, then the bull run is over for today. Then it's just a bull trap. I don't think it is. So we're going to go to the live position now, and we're going to see if this continues. We're up 0.71. Let me refresh that screen. Up 0.72. Sold my space for $500 profit. Good luck to you. I'm holding mine, looking to buy back in. It's one way of playing it, risky way of playing it. Now, did we get any more Twitch subscribers? Remember, it's free. You're supporting the channel for free. If you're an Amazon Prime customer, it costs you absolutely nothing. And every month we'll have the first Friday of the month. Every month we will give away a prize. Okay. For free. And you simply subscribe to me on Twitch. And use your Amazon Prime account. It'll cost you nothing. You'll support the channel by I think it's $1.80 a month, which is wonderful. It costs you nothing, comes out of Amazon's money, and you will win a prize, or there'll be a prize every month on the first Friday of the month. Need to warn you about margin. Arnold the Palmer, here he is. Arnold the Palmer's back in with his warnings again. I love Arnold the Palmer. He's over on Twitch, right? He's over on Twitch. I think we've got a slight glitch on Twitch again, so I'll restart it. It just can't cope. It can't cope with my 4K stream. And I'm not going to reduce the quality to benefit Twitch. That just seems silly to me. But anyway, I'll restart it for those of you that are keeping your tabs open. All right, okay. Sell, Rob, up around 5,300 again. All right. Okay. Bears are hammering Tilray pretty hard. Let's have a look at Tilray. Tilray. It's coming back up, though. Right, let's have a look. Trying to go down. So there we go. This could be the end of the bull run today. It got a rejection, and it's coming back down. So, I understand what Rob Brennan has done, and it makes sense with the amount of money he has invested. He sold it. He's taken profit. I did sell it, $770. There we go. He's made himself, how much did he say he's made himself? 5,300. Maybe Fusion and Ali are right. Volume slowing on space. Looking to buy back in low sevens. There you go. There you go. There it goes. So you took a profit. Very good. I'm holding mine. I'm holding mine. Okay, guys, for those that support me on Twitch, I'm starting it again now. We had a glitch. It struggles with my 4K stream, and I'm starting it again. Rob, mate, there's a thing called overtrading. Take profit and chill, mate. You don't need to be in it all the time. That's right. That's right. There's a balance to all of this. I think we could see double digits after earnings. Well... we shall see. Rio Tinto. I wanted to share this one with you today. Up 3.6. You may remember this one gives phenomenal dividends. And I bought it when it went down 10%. You remember, guys? No. That wasn't... That was Enphase Energy, right? Wasn't it? Enphase Energy. Didn't... Oh, no. There was a big drop in Rio Tinto. There was a big drop. Yes, there was. Yes, it was here. 1.46 and went, yeah, there was a near 10% drop. Yeah, if you remember, I tripled my position. I had 10 and now I have 30. I went all in and now I'm glad I did because not only am I up 2.99, but I'm also up with the dividends that I'll pay out and be reinvested. Okay, I've restarted Twitch, guys. It's now running again. Thank you very much indeed. So there's Rio Tinto. My portfolio is still up to date. We are trying to go again, look. Fear of missing out will kick you while you're down. Rio for the dividends, absolutely. Look, it is bouncing. Is it going to come back up again? There's the live position. Let's keep our eye on the live position. It's trying to come back up again. If it comes back up this time... we are really in for a great day at this early hour of 9:20 Central, 10:20 Eastern. After space hits my price target, I'll move to Rio. I mean, that does make a lot of sense. It does make a lot of sense, doesn't it? I mean, here's a little thought for everybody. Right, let's end the poll. Right, let's end the poll right now. We're up. It's a green day. We've all established that, right? Let me end the poll. Let me ask you another poll. Okay? Bearing in mind, right now, margin on Robinhood is 4% or 4.25. Robinhood margin is 4.25 per year. And you earn 13% on Rio Tinto. Can you see what the question I'm going to ask you is? I want to see what everyone says to this. This is very interesting. Would you use margin to buy Rio? Okay, now think about this for a minute. Rio Tinto pays 13%. Margin on Robinhood is 4.25. Would you use margin to buy Rio? Bearing in mind, we are now at near bottoms of the market. Rio's price is going to go up, and which means the dividend will probably go up as well. Do you get dividends on CFDs, though? Do you get dividends? What's CFDs? Right, so let me ask you the question. I'm interested to see what everyone says to this. Would you use margin to buy Rio? Yes or no? Or is margin different? I'll explain. The way margin works, as I said before, you are simply borrowing, you're using the brokerage's money to buy shares. That's it. Okay, if I went into my portfolio now and I spent $20,000, that's all margin available, right? My portfolio would not go up to 57,000. My portfolio would still be worth 37,000. I now owe 20,000. Whether the stocks go up or down, I owe 20,000, all right? My portfolio would go up or down by the profit or the loss of those stocks. That's it. You don't suddenly have 20 grand in your portfolio. It's not like borrowing money from the bank and then putting the money in the bank and now you got more money. You don't have more money in your portfolio. You just have more money. You just have more shares you're invested in. So my portfolio would go up a lot faster or down a lot quicker. That's it. So if I use 20,000 today to buy Rio Tinto at 4%, I would earn 13%. I would still owe $20,000 regardless, but I now pay 4% on it. So the question is, would you use margin to buy Rio? All right. 50% say yes. 50% say no. Right. Joby's going back up again. The live position is trying to push up. Look, hasn't decided yet. Just going sideways for a minute. If our next turn is upwards, this is going to be a very green day. Rio Tinto is going up. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic is deciding now. It's going sideways for a little while. CFD contracts for difference, which is what eToro used as opposed to lending you money, I think. I don't know. I don't know what eToro does. I can't say. Take out a home loan and dump it into Rio. Well, if you've got a home loan for 4% and Rio's 13%, I mean, it's basic maths, isn't it? Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit. I will give my opinion when I've seen everybody vote. Virgin Orbit is up 0.53. Tesla is up 2.67. Rivian is up. Lucid, 9.25. We're over time. We should have run a commercial break again. I'm losing money here this morning. We've got AHA coming up in half an hour. Let me put in it. There we go. There's the commercial break. Skip the break. Come back to me. Market Profit is here. We're so glad to see you. Such an interesting day. We're glad to see you. This bear market rally is doing exactly what it's designed for. Creating fear of missing out, so much so you're now contemplating going into margin at one of the highest interest rates in years. No. I'm not contemplating anything. I'm asking the question: does it make sense to use margin at 4.25% to get virtually guaranteed 13% Rio Tinto? They've been around since 1962. The worst dividend was 5%. So it's basic maths. It's just simple maths. And I will give you my answer in a minute. That's crazy, Ali. That's really cool. Really cool. What did Ali say? Yes, Rob, you still get dividends with CFDs. Take out a home run, dump into Rio. Market Profit is saying this bear market rally is doing exactly what it's designed for, creating fear of missing out. Only if you're buying in the stocks market. Other than a bit of Google, I haven't bought anything for weeks. I haven't bought stocks for ages. I'm simply... I bought at the lows. I'm not buying on the pumps. Other than some Google this morning, I decided to get in because I've made a lot of profit on other stocks. No, I haven't bought Joby. I haven't bought... I bought already at the lows. I'm not buying on the way up, other than Google this morning. How much in dividends would I get? I tell you, Ali Isles will work that out. Ali Isles. So I could buy like 750,000 of Rio Tinto if I use 5x margin. How much in dividends would I get? Lots. Probably about 40 grand a year. Bloody hell. I tell you what, the stock would go up. We'd all benefit, wouldn't we, if we did that? Oh, flipping heck. It's not simple maths. If the stock goes down, your dividend returns don't equal your overall stock losses. If only works if stocks keep rising. No, I don't agree with that, market. I don't agree with that at all. The stocks goes down is merely a price today. Stocks come back up again. That's just a price. I agree with market profit on many things, but I will flatly disagree with what he just said there. If you're making 13% on dividends and you're paying 4% on interest, you are clearly making a profit. He just said no if the stock price goes down. No, only if you sell. A stock price going down doesn't do anything whatsoever. I couldn't care less. As Warren Buffett says, he loves red days. Who cares less the stock price goes down? The only thing that's good, the only thing is it's great to buy in more. It doesn't bother me if a stock price goes down. If you believe in the stock, if the stock is earning you money on a 13% dividend, if the stock goes down, who cares? Who cares? Now he will say, because you've lost money, your value has gone down. The value of the stock hasn't gone down. The share price has gone down. The value of the company is still making profits and still paying you 13%. It's still paying you 13%. Simple fact. So the fact is, it's still making you 13%. All that's gone down is the share price. Share price is not the profit of the company. Share price is not the value of the company at all. If you're making 13%, you're making 13%. Yes, it does if you get a margin call. Well, that's why I'm about to answer the question. I asked you all today, would you buy Rio Tinto on margin? Now, I'm going to answer it for you because I've been margin called. I've been in margin. I've been out of margin. I've used some margin. All the time, right? I have experience of margin. And this is what I say to you. Margin is fine. Margin can be your friend. Margin can be your enemy. If margin gets out of control and you go over margin, you use too much margin, so it affects your state of mind. In other words, you react with fear. Do you remember how stressed I was getting when I was down? Then you've used too much margin. Is borrowing money to buy a house a bad idea? No, if you can afford it and if the house goes up in value, right? The house will always go up in value over time. So using margin and saying point blank it's a bad idea is wrong. Margin is your friend and your enemy depending on how you use it. If you use it so you're maybe 50% in margin, if you can borrow 40 grand and you've used 20, that's okay. If you've bought a good stock with a good dividend and it's got good history, that's okay. If it doesn't affect your investment strategy, if you start buying and selling because you're fearful and selling when you're down, then it's controlled you and it was the wrong thing to do. So, depending on your state of mind, your situation, how much you've put into the market and what you've bought, I say margin can be a good thing. That is my opinion. Why do you think you cleared your margin earlier this year? The stock prices was going down. 750,000 is about 109,000 a year split twice 6 monthly. That's bonkers, Ali. I wonder how much interest that would be. We've got Rob Brennan looking into it now. All right, Rio Tinto is going up. Space holding its own. Yes, indeed. It's going back up again. I didn't sell it. I held it. Now, you guys are buying and selling. If you notice, we're starting to, when we drop, we come back higher. We dropped here, came back higher, and now we dropped, and now I'm expecting to go higher. And if we get that, that's a very difficult way to trade, all right? You would have been better staying in. Here's Market Profit's opinion on this right now. Martyn, if you bought Rio Tinto in 2008, it would have taken you 13 years to break even. Investing is great if you have a multi-decade horizon and conviction. What I do, remember market, remember I have a very strong, committed, dedicated goal. I am 53 years old. I want to be able to have enough money when I'm 65. I have 13 years. And even then, I don't need to retire. I am now a full-time YouTuber. I earn my living from YouTube. I could do this till I'm 70, 80, 90, I don't know. So I'm not looking at retiring now, and I would never retire and take a pension on a bad year. I don't need to, right? And my pension is this portfolio. So I'm not going to sell it on a bad day, am I? Obviously. Now then, the answer to the question is we did go up on that rejection, so we're going to have a very green day. You're not 70 already. Yeah, not quite. Sell Bill, then move to France with me. There we go. What do you think of space market profit? Market Profit, I think, quite likes space. He says I think he says it's got a good opportunity, but I don't think he's in right now. I might be wrong. Let's see what he says. If that 13 years includes dividends, is that 13 years including dividends, Market Profit? You know, I mean, ask Rob Brennan what he thinks of SPCE. If Rob Brennan walked away from SPCE now and never bought it again, he's happy as Larry, right? It doesn't matter. I like space at 6 to 7. I would sell it if it goes if it gets past 10. Have you got any Market Profit though? Have you got any? You've said you're all cash. You're not buying any of these dips. Have you bought it though? It's very, very different to say what you would do if you're not actually doing it. Very, very easy. Everyone will tell you what you should do with your money, but they're not doing it. That's what this channel is different about. This is my real money. No, I only have Walmart. Exactly. You're saying you would buy it at 6, but you haven't. That's the difference. No disrespect. Market Profit, love you to bits. You know I do, right? Got huge respect. But on Market Profit, you're not a member right now. I just realised. I'm answering all your questions and replying to you as if you remember. I always focus on our members to reply. I just realised you're not a member anymore. Anyway, sorry about that. I'm in with 21,600 shares. If it goes to $10 from here, I'll make around 50 grand. Well, it will. It'll be $100 next year. I've got no doubt about it whatsoever. I'm a member as the main channel. Oh, I see. You've signed on as a different one. Oh, I see. I apologise. We do love Market Profit. Is a great asset to our channel. Like I say, the yin to the yang to the yin. He really does balance me out. He's very, very important to this channel. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Very, very important. Rob Brennan is the other end. Rob Brennan is the eternal risk taker with me on Virgin Galactic. He's the other end. There's me in the middle. There's Rob Brennan over here, and there's Market Profit. All three of us together. Oh, here we go. Here is the main channel. There you go. I see you now. If it goes to $20 from here, I'll make 250 grand. You will make 250 grand. Of course you will. Why would you buy in the stock if you didn't think it would? Why would you buy SPCE at $7 if you don't think it's going to go to $20? I mean, I don't see any point. That's why I bought it. I have delusions of grandeur. You have delusions of you are grandeur. Think Martyn as a man crusher, market prophet. Get out of it, Dave Mottram. Oh, by the way, how are you, mate? How's life for you, mate? Now then, just before we end the show, because we've got Take On Me, Aha, coming up at the end for our friend from Korea, if he is still here. I hope he's still here, because we're doing Take On Me at the end. Fourth and Noose. Hi, mate. This is a new channel. How are you? Let's give a welcome to our guest here. My name is Martyn Lucas, known as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio. Let me give you a wave. Yeah. Raised over $1 million in this studio for my members. I used to do fundraisers for the Lions Club, and I still do. Cancer research, nurses. I mean, I've done so many. Homeless children. And we've raised over $1 million for our charities. But I used to get paid. It was my business. I used to have a commission or a percentage or a fee. Now I do it for free. I do it for free for all my members. So, there are over 20 reasons to be a member to my channel, but that's just one of them. You can have a fundraiser, and Rob Brennan became a silver member yesterday and donated his fundraiser to Zach from Africa. So we're going to do another one for Zach. Zach's already a silver member. We've raised him a lot of money, helped the village in Africa already a lot, but now because of Rob Brennan, we're going to do another one, because he's become a silver member and he's donating it to Zach. You can do that, all right, if you wish to do so. All right. Yo, Rob, if you'd like to carry me along, I'd be happy to go anywhere. Mo, do you have Discord? Yes, if you are a member, of course, here is our Discord group. Here's our Discord group. You can share and discuss everything on Discord. Here it is. Let me give it to you in the chat. There it is. Now, if you're a YouTube member, of course, you get access to all the member channels. As a non-member on YouTube, you only see the public channels, okay? Now then. I'll add you and figure out a way to send you a little bit of money for internet so you can watch Martyn. What's that? I'll add you and figure out a way to send you a little bit of money for internet so you can watch Martyn. Who's struggling to watch the show? Who's that? Who's having a problem? Right, I'm glad to read Dave Mottram is feeling better. That's brilliant. Anyway. So, we got the rejection, and it's going up again. So, we're at 37,000 now. Let's look at let's look at Canoe. I said it would come back up again. It is. There we go. This is your second opportunity to get Canoe. GOEV. I'm holding my position. I'm up 12 and I need up 13% on this one. I have enough. I don't need any more. I've got enough. I'm very, very happy with it. I like what it's doing. The military connection with the US Army is good. The Walmart connection is great. That's happening now in Dallas, near where I am. So that's very, very good. That's local to me, so I'm happy with that. Google, I did buy some this morning, only because I now had some profits to do so. I only bought a few shares of it. I think I bought 5 shares of it. And I'm waiting for quite a drop to buy more. And once I get to $1,500, that will be enough. All right. Now then. Oh, Dexter. Is Dexter here? Is Dexter in the house? Because Dexter can win some free money right now if Dexter is here. If Dexter is here, you can win some free money. I forgot to let you know about that. If Dexter's in the house, there's some free money for Dexter. Let me have a look. He might have already done it. I'm just checking. Who is Chris Patterson? Who is Chris Patterson? If you are called Chris Patterson, let me know. Please. Oh, here goes Google. I want a nice big drop. Go to $1. That's one share. I don't mind going to $1. But anyway, I want to buy some more if it does. Who is Chris Patterson? Cash App does use Bitcoin. Yes, it does. Cash App does use Bitcoin. Correct. Because I'm going to give everybody now my Cash App link. And if you use this, you can get $5 for free. For free. They're doing absolutely nothing. All you've got to do is set up your account. And it's one of the ways that we give cash prizes away each Friday. Okay? So I'm going to put it in the chat right now with my Martyn Lucas account. Here it comes. Okay. There you go. I'll put it in the chat. Can you see it? There is my Cash App. If you click on that, I can send you free money when we do our cash prizes. Plus, you get $5. Now, how you get the $5 is you click on my referral. You link it to your bank as you do all cash payment services. Robinhood, you link to your bank account, and PayPal, all these things. You use Plaid. It's the most secure network for financial transactions. So you link it to that. And then once you've done that, you need to send $50 or £50. Now, you can either send it to a family member and they send it back to you, and then you get the free $5. Or, if you want to, and you all know you can trust me, you can send it to me and I send it straight back to you. So if you've got no one to send it to, you can send it to me and I send it back to you. Plus, you'll get the $5. Make sense? You all get free money. It's free money for everybody. I mean, everyone should set it up. There's no reason why not. Okay, I've got it. I use it. I use it to give you free, the cash prizes all the time. Rio Tinto is up 4.5. Vanguard S&P is coming up again. This is good. The overall portfolio is bouncing around at the moment. It's not moving up much at the moment, but it's absolutely fine. 15 minutes ago, Virgin Orbit is going down. I've got an order to buy at 325. I hope it does go there. I've also got an order to buy Tesla at 650, but I don't see that happening. And Google, I want to buy some more there, but it really has to go down quite a bit before I do. I've got enough of it. I'm up on it. I'm happy to own it. I like it. I want to get some more when it goes down. Cash App is not available in Nigeria. Okay. Well, if you win our cash prize giveaways, I can pay you via crypto. If you have a crypto wallet, if you have Dogecoin, if you have BSV, Bitcoin, any of those, I can send you money via my Robinhood account because I have my own wallets and I can send you money. So if you win it that way, I can do it that way. Okay? But the preferred way is Cash App because it's the quickest and it costs nothing. It's the cheapest, best way of doing it. The very, very best way of doing it. And that's why it's our preferred way. Plus, you get $5 for free just for setting it up. But if you can't, we can use PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or now we can use crypto wallets as well. All right? Okay. Now then, we've got just 10 minutes to go before we close the show. We are going to do our song at the end of the show for our friend from Korea, if he's still here. Discord message. Thank you ever so much indeed. A private message. Let's have a look. Let me go over to Discord from Ali Isles. Thank you, mate. What is this? Whoops. You sent me a message. What? Hang on, I'm just reading this message. What is this, Ali? I'm just reading this message. I'm trying to understand what this is. I'm not reading it out because it's a private message. I'm just trying to understand what it means. What is that, Ali? You don't say what app that's from, or I don't understand. I want to be absolutely clear what that is. You've just sent me a message, Ali. I don't know what app that is. The Cash App. What? I don't get it. You got that from them, or what? I don't know what it. I don't know what you're saying. Sorry, mate. I'm sorry if I'm missing the point. I don't know what you're saying. It's a Cash App. You got that earlier. Oh, right. Okay. Can I read it out? Can I read it out? Your first time viewing stocks and shares. I don't know how it moves daily. First time viewing stock charts. I don't know how much it moves daily, says Mo. Joby's going back down again. Right, now we're getting some rejection for today. Yeah, it's a promo. If you send someone, you're in a... Oh, okay, I can read it out. Okay, this was a message today from Ali on Cash App. I'll share it with you. Yeah, read it out. Okay. 10 people will win $100. I'm not really a fan of draws, even though I do a draw for you guys, because there's a good chance of you winning. These things are, why not, But last week was so much fun that this Friday we're giving 10 people $100, £100. Pay anyone with their phone number, email or cash tag in the next 7 days and you'll be entered into a draw. Doesn't tell you how many in the draw. So there could be millions. That's the only thing with these big companies. Yeah, thanks for that. I didn't get that message. They didn't send that to me. So, but anyway, thank you ever so much for sharing that, mate. I didn't get that message sent to me. Oh, I see. If everyone sends back 1/4, you're in the draw. Yeah, that makes sense. If everyone starts sending dollars around, we'll all be in the draw. Yeah, that makes sense. I didn't get that message though. Let me just check. I didn't get it. I don't think. No, I haven't got it. I haven't got that message. I'll look out for it. But so it might not be available for everyone. It is for you though, right? But that's very good. Are you going to do it? Send everyone $1 and then send it back. So if you want to help Ali win $100, if he sends you £1, make sure you send it back. And if 10 of you do it, he'll be in a draw. Brilliant. Joby Aviation just going back. Trying to go up again though. Look at this. Trying to go up again. Right. We've got 9 minutes to go. It is now time. We're going to end the show and do a cash prize. I had that message. Dave Mottram has it as well. It might be a UK thing because I've not got it. I think we will be higher after earnings than now, hopefully by a lot. I have gone all in 23,000 shares, see you at the moon, or sleeping on the street. One of the two, right? Vanguard S&P is up. Virgin Galactic is coming back up again. I'm just holding. Virgin Orbit. Oh, I hope it lets me in. I'm still up on it, looking for a buyback. Trader of the day. Yes, day trader of the day. Tesco's, Target, Walmart. This is all looking good today. Rolls-Royce. I got 6% to go and I want to get out of the stock. It's just dead money for me right now. Dead money. Tilray Brands. Ginkgo Bioworks. Enphase Energy, BSV is coming up, Bitcoin going back down. I want it to go back down though, and I do. Google, Google's getting better. It's not there yet though. It's going to go up because I've seen the ad revenue on my account going up, so I think it's going to go up. It's not cheap enough for me though. I'm still at 1.6%. I don't need, it needs to go to a loss before I buy more. All right, as simple as that. Right. We've got day trader of the day, the overall portfolio. We've got AHA, if our friend from North Korea is still here. If he's not here, we won't do it. There's no point. No point putting a copyright on the show if he's not here. I'm only going to do it if he's here, because he gave me a great tip this morning for AHA, and I said I would do it at the end of the show, which is in 5 minutes. Right. Guys, I need to take a small restroom break. I've been sat here for 2.5 hours. Let me run a quick commercial break. I'm going to disappear for a minute. I'm going to leave you on this screen, and I'll see you back in 1 minute time. So you might as well watch the ad all the way through. We've got Day Trader of the Day, and we got AHA as a special surprise, Take On Me, and we'll call it Take On BSV if we like, something like that. Anyway, let's see what happens. I'll see you back in a minute, guys. Ready? I'm going to be literally 2 minutes. You might as well watch the ad. Ali Isles, don't be impatient. See you back in a couple of minutes. Don't go away. Okay, we're back again now. Thank you very much. Right, we're looking good. What's the situation now? How many people are still with us? We've got 25. Great, brilliant. Okay. This is good for the portfolio, guys. We're going back up again. Now then, I need to ask a very, very important question, as I've got all my family with me right now. I need to ask a very, very important question. This morning, I got banned from TikTok, hopefully for 24 hours. It says 24-hour ban. They've got to review me. And the reason is I had a guy coming in trying to scam the channel, telling everybody I was a scammer and using all these horrible words. And I retaliated. I called him stupid and so on. And that's regarded as, bullying or harassment. So unfortunately, I got taken off TikTok, which is awful because the guy was trying to scam my channel and ruin it for me and tell everybody lies. And unfortunately, I called him stupid, and you saw what happened. I got taken off, which is annoying because I might lose my account, and it's important. It grows YouTube, it grows TikTok. I get paid on TikTok. It is a part of my revenue stream. I don't want to lose it. I was nearly at 20,000 today, just a few, maybe like 20, 30 away. So would anybody here like to be, if you're not already, a moderator for me on TikTok, if you're able to, I'm always live on TikTok when I'm live on YouTube. Are you able to open a mobile phone or an app or another device and moderate for me on TikTok? I know a few of you already do. If you'd like to, please, I'd like to add some more, because if my moderators had been in or whatever, you would have got rid of that person and I wouldn't have reacted that way. So it's my own fault. I've learned a lesson this morning. You can't tell people they're stupid, even if they are being stupid. You can't. You just got to take it on the chin. And unfortunately, I didn't. I cannot be mod, unfortunately. Rob Brennan can't do it. All right. Okay. I'm a mod and annoyed I missed it. Usually me and Mike sort them out. Yeah, it's one of those things, guys. I know you would have done, Ali, and I wouldn't have reacted that way, and I wouldn't have been banned. And yeah, I paid a price this morning. I hope I haven't lost my account. I've worked really hard to grow that channel. But there you go. Lesson learned. In fact, even using those words today on YouTube is not a good idea. You know, the algorithm isn't that smart. It's not a human being knowing that I'm explaining the situation. It just hears me using those words and boom. So I'm going to have to be very careful with the language I use here on YouTube too. Don't want to use any of these sort of words. It's tough. Anyway, it doesn't look like our friend is here from North Korea for the Take On Me song. So we got Day Trader of the Day. Let's have a look at the comments here coming in. Zach, you have a fundraiser coming up, so we're going to set that up now. I'm going to pick a day, I think probably a week or 2 weeks out, so you can promote it, and we'll do that for you live on the show. That was given to you by Rob Brennan because he became a silver member. So there we go. That's for you. It's hard to read it all. I know it's hard. Bill. It's not an easy job being a moderator, and it is a responsibility. It's really important. Anyway, okay. We let him down, Mike. You didn't let me down, guys. Yeah, you did. You let me down. You're rubbish. Right. Okay. Here we go. It's my own fault. I always think it's great to learn lessons. It's more important. It's more important to learn lessons, guys. If I was a million follower, million subscriber channel, and then I'd learn the lesson, can you imagine? It's good to learn lessons. Now I'll protect my channel going forward. I now know they won't let you say stuff like that. Even though I don't think I was being unfair, do you? But there you go. Okay. Right. Jack Daniel Torrado, notify. What's up, man? He's over there on Facebook. Good afternoon. We're on YouTube. Come and join us here on YouTube. That's where you want to watch us. How are you? Right, the S&P's coming up. Virgin Galactic's coming back up again. We are now up 3.65. Virgin Orbit did not let me in. It would never seem to want to go below that 325. It doesn't want to go that low, which is a good thing. And maybe I don't need any more anyway. So I'm just saying. It doesn't matter. Google, on the other hand, or Canoe's come back up. I said it would. And Google is also coming back up. That doesn't want to get cheaper. And that's fine. I own enough because it could soon go up 5-6% and become the value of the portfolio I need anyway. So it doesn't really matter. Right, Day Trader of the Day. There's going to be no Take On Me. Our friend from North Korea, I don't know. From Korea, South or North, I have no idea. Rob, I'm in on Discord. I'm in on Discord server. I'm messaging on both. General chit chat. Okie dokie. General chit chat. Not on our channel. It can't be. Mo, you're not a member. Let's have a look. Hang on a minute. The Day Trader. General chit chat. General chit chat. The Day Trader. Rob, I'm in the Discord server. Should see my messages on both. In the general chit chat. Mo, your messages will not appear in the general chit chat because you can't even see that channel. All right, you're not a YouTube member, so you don't have access to the premium channel. So you're not actually in general chit chat unless you're talking about another server. If you're in Rob's server or somebody else's server, but no. No. SXOP. Mo, is that your name? You're not actually in there. You can't comment there because you're not a YouTube member. I've told you. That's one of our channels. Yeah, you're not even on our server. Okay? YouTube with Mo, you're not on our server. I can show you that now. Okay? I'm just checking. I'll give you that information correct, which I have. Oh, there you. Yeah, you are in the public channel. There you go. Right. This is where you are. This is you here. I can see you. Right. I can see you here. You are here. You are in the public channels. These are the public channels. Welcome all. You're not in the chit chat. Yes, the public ones are over here. You can't see these and so on and so forth. And most of our members, I will just tell you, because we get scammers, and I don't think for a minute you are, I'm just saying, most of our members will not message or friend people who are not members. Because the public channels, you get people who aren't honest. Okay? I will just tell you that right now. Most people will not message you or friend you if you're not a YouTube member because you have then some credibility by being a member. Make sense? Okay. Just want to explain to you why you might not get anyone reply or message you. Okay? And I just want to warn everybody as well. If people aren't members, we can't verify them. We don't know who they are. Okay? Anyway, just want to be clear about that. Keep my members safe. All right. Okay, we're going back up again now. We don't have our friend from Korea in, so there's no take on me at the end of the show. But we are now doing Day Trader of the Day, and we're going to wrap up the show. So here we go. Let's go now into your main position, and let's see how we do. Before I give you that, I'm going to give the invitation to join one more time in the chat. I'm also going to give everybody the invitation to join the newsletter if you've not yet done that. Here is the invitation to the newsletter. And I'm also going to give you the web link for those of you who may have not received it this week because we ran out of email allocation. I've now upgraded my account to have more. There's the email invitation. There's only 86 of you have verified. There's 86 now verified. 114 have done it. So if you have applied for the newsletter, there are 3 cash giveaways in it this week. You need to make sure that you verify. So go and click it again, put your email, and then search for this email. We want the verifications to go up. We want everyone to be verified. Okay. There it is in the chat. Now, for those of you who have verified but didn't receive the newsletter that would like to enter the cash prize giveaways, here is the email web version. I never display this, but I am because 5 of you couldn't receive the email. So there it is. You can now see the cash prize giveaways for those of you who didn't get it. I don't want you to miss out. Okay? All right. Day Trader of the Day. Here we go. I am up 3.57%. There we go. I'm up 3.57%. Let's get my score on the screen, and then we'll go down the whole stocks, and we'll see who wins today. All right. There it is. There's the score on the screen. There we go. And I'm going to give you a minute on the clock. And we're going to end the poll. No, Most of you would not use margin even if you're making profits on percentages. Well, I explained why I would. But anyway, I'm going to end the poll right now. I like when I'm always in disagreement with everybody, because it means I'm often right. When I say red day, you all go green, and I'm right. When I say green, you all go red, and I'm right. So I kind of like it when everyone disagrees with me. I think it must mean I'm right. Oh dear, I don't know. What do I know? Right, you ready? Where is everybody? We need everyone now to post their scores. Everyone could be on a break. Could be on. Skip the ads. Joby Aviation's going up again. Very, very nice indeed. I'm not going to chase it. 3.53. I'm up. Today. We're waiting for the first scores to come in, and then I'll put a minute on the clock. There we go. There's the first score from Dave Mottram. So here we go. A minute on the clock. All right. Dave Mottram goes into the lead. He's up 3.91. I'm up on the month now, nearly 16%. The 3 months, we're nearly there. We're down 30% now. We're trying to get under 30%. So there we go. 3.77, Ali Isles just behind Dave Mottram, so Dave Mottram stays in the lead at the moment. Damn you, Dave. Yes, I agree. Damn you, Dave. You nearly won the prize. So, 3.91 is the winner so far. Chicky, 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 you bap boom. Chicky, 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 you bap boom. Chicky bump bump. Diddly bump bump. Alright. There we go. So, Dave Mottram. I've got any more scores? Now, there's 23 watching right now. I'm going to give everyone a second because I think everyone's behind. I don't know why everyone's behind. I don't know if you all clicked the... all clicked or didn't click the live. 3.72. Rob Brennan is up 3.2. So Dave Mottram is still winning at 3.91. It looks like Dave Mottram is still up. I know time's up. I'm going to call it though, because we have to have the rules. Got to have rules. Thank you, Dave, for your honest trade. You are the day trader of the day. Thank you very much. Give him a thumbs up. What a legend. What a superstar. What a rock star. There we go. And here comes the sound effects. Wow. All right, guys. That's the end of the show. Our friend from Korea is not here. Take on me. We'll put it into next show. If he comes back, of course he'll come back. Of course he'll come back. Seems it was a nice day. It was indeed. Everybody made money today. Everybody's up. Great stuff. Thanks to all our members. Nearly everyone now is watching our show today is a member. Thanks to all of you. But what we're going to do now, though, as you all know, it's roll those credits. You're supposed to write in the chat now. At the end of the show, it's one of the things that we do. Roll those credits. And when you do that, we find out who the stars of our show were today. So, we're going to do that right now. We're going to end the show. I'm back for the closing bell this afternoon. See you all back this afternoon. Are you ready, though? But now it's time to end the show and roll those credits. Let's find out who donated, who became a fan, who subscribed, who moderated, who didn't moderate on TikTok. Boo to you. Okay, here we go. Let's roll those credits right now. I'll see you all back this afternoon. And Barbara Lean is now following over there on TikTok. Thank you very much, Barbara Lean. You're following me. If I give you now the home of where we are right now, we're here on YouTube. If you subscribe to me over on Twitch using your Amazon Prime account, you will be in our monthly draw for free. Our first one's on Friday. It doesn't cost you anything at all to be a member using Twitch if you use the Amazon Prime. And then we give cash giveaways and prize giveaways on the first Friday of the month. Our first one is this Friday, and we're giving away one of my Day Trader mugs. All right, if you subscribe using your Amazon Prime, It's free. All right, let's get back to it. Let's roll the credits. Here we go. Thank you very much indeed. Let's roll those credits. All right, who was a rock star today? Stars of the show. Thanks for your support, moderators. Only Restreambot. Nobody else did a good job. Follower Barbara Lean right at the end. Now, I don't know why it hasn't given the super chats. It doesn't do super chats for some reason. I don't know why that is. I'm confused why that is. But that's it from me. We gotta go. I'll see you all back for the closing bell. Don't forget Love Island. Take care.